At times, we may believe we can handle everything life throws our way, while on other occasions, even minor issues can feel overwhelming. The determining factor is not the situations we encounter, as we've all experienced distress over seemingly inconsequential matters. Conversely, we can rebound from significant setbacks, viewing them as a natural facet of life. The critical factor is our mental strength. Akin to a mental muscle, we can strengthen to enhance our overall well-being. Some individuals swiftly recover from personal failures, while others find it more challenging. If you belong to the latter group, fret not. Buddhism offers 9 habits for building mental strength, fostering resilience through dedicated practice, discipline, and effort. Our ability to weather unexpected challenges such as loss, unemployment, or the end of a relationship puts our resilience to the test. However, these trials also present opportunities to rise above and emerge even stronger. Skill development. In Buddhism, building mental strength involves honing skills that enhance resilience, fostering a sense of mastery crucial during tough times. This process boosts self-esteem and problem-solving abilities. The skills to acquire depend on the individual, ranging from enhancing cognitive abilities to learning new hobbies. Group learning provides additional benefits, such as social support, nurturing resilience further. Mindfulness. Central to skill development in Buddhism is mindfulness, not merely a technique, but a way of being fully present in each moment. This practice brings heightened awareness to thoughts, emotions, and actions, facilitating a profound shift in navigating the complexities of the mind. Mindfulness, beyond stress reduction, is a gateway to self-mastery, involving deliberate attention to the present moment without judgment. Meditation cultivates acute awareness, allowing one to respond to thoughts and emotions with clarity and intention. Compassion. Compassion in Buddhism extends beyond sympathy to an active force that propels one to alleviate others' suffering. By practicing compassion toward oneself and others, a reservoir of inner strength is created. Loving-kindness meditation fosters goodwill and compassion, reinforcing interconnectedness and the ability to face difficulties with a compassionate heart. Equanimity. Emphasized in Buddhist teachings, equanimity involves maintaining inner stability and peace amid life's fluctuations. It does not entail indifference, but cultivating a balanced mind to navigate life's ups and downs gracefully. Practices like vipassana meditation observe the impermanence of sensations, thoughts, and emotions, enabling detachment and strength to face challenges without being overwhelmed. Goal setting. Buddhism stresses setting clear intentions and goals aligned with the greater good. Goals involve cultivating positive aspirations like personal growth, compassion, and inner peace, serving as a roadmap for mental strength. These goals, unlike material desires, are seeds of kindness, understanding, and inner peace, shaping who one aspires to become. Controlled exposure. In the face of life's inevitable storms, Buddhism advocates controlled exposure, gradually confronting difficulties to build resilience without being overwhelmed. Mindfulness aids in facing challenges with inner calm, navigating life's storms with steady resolve. Make connections. Recognizing the interconnected nature of all things, Buddhism encourages meaningful relationships, fostering empathy and understanding. Connections extend beyond human relationships to include nature, reinforcing mental resilience through interconnectedness. Avoid seeing crisis as insurmountable problems. Maintaining a balanced perspective is vital in adversity. Buddhism encourages viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation, perceiving them as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. Accept that change is a part of living. Embracing impermanence is key to mental strength. Accepting life's ever-changing nature allows one to navigate uncertainties with equanimity, viewing change as a natural part of living. Take decisive actions. Buddhism emphasizes making wise choices, akin to being a decision-making superhero. Thoughtful choices aligned with positive outcomes for oneself and others contribute to mental strength. Look for opportunities for self-discovery. Buddhism encourages introspection and self-discovery through practices like meditation, revealing the inherent treasures within. Regular exploration of thoughts and feelings unveils the incredible aspects of oneself, fostering personal growth and resilience.